Hey there, this is Tia and this video is about how we can read Instagram message without seeing, as you can see on your screen. So let's get into it. First, download and install this app. You will get the link in description. Now open the app and follow what I am doing on the screen. Do these settings correctly, otherwise it won't work. Here, first enable all apps and then disable. Go to message section, tap on add to group, search for Instagram and enable. Now you are ready to go. Now if someone sent a message on Instagram, open that app and here you will find that message. Like and subscribe for more such videos and I will catch you in the next one.